How to import images in cam scanner. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add images in cam scanner application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you can see if I have opened up the cam scanner application, so you can see I have this interface. Now to import the images in cam scanner application, you can see at the third number the import images option. So you have to tap right here on import images, and after that you will get access to your gallery pictures. And now you have to tap right here on I got it, because they are giving me the instruction to follow. And now you can see I have get access to the gallery. So this is how you can import images in cam scanner. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.